What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Zach. I'm a 19-year-old sports photographer, and today's video is going to be a POV video of me shooting shots at a basketball game from my old high school. And today's basketball game is their first round of playoffs. Super excited to be there, super excited to capture these guys play their first playoff round. So let's get straight into the video.
Sir, Keller.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on to be informed about any future videos coming out. They did end up winning this playoff game. I'm very excited for them. I'm very happy for them, and thanks for watching. If you have any ideas of what you want to see next, make sure you drop them down in the comments below. Thank you all.